Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 5, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So of course I've got gestures set right now, but still I'll show you the full path of how to get into those options and how to manage them. So let's begin with opening the settings. And right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got the gestures and buttons. So let's begin with the buttons. As you can see here we can customize this navigation mode, so we can reorder the back button and the recents. It's up to you. And here you can manage Circle to Search and Digital Assistant from Google. So in order to set the gestures, we have to simply tap on this animation, and if you wish you can go through the tutorial. Your device will try to teach you how to use the gestures, so you can tap on Learn. I don't want to do it because I'll show you how to use the gestures in a second. And under it you've got some options which are connected with the gestures. Basically, instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some actions, and we can hide it if you wish. So it's totally up to you how you'd like to have it. Here we've got also the option Switch to Previous App, Mistouch Prevention, and you can again learn the gestures. Here we've got also the option Sensitivity to Back Gesture, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you can decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.